We'll guide you through how to call in Google Chat. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to use calling features in Google Chat, but are unsure where to find them. It helps users understand how to start video calls easily, improving communication for both personal and work purposes. To begin the process, open the Windows Start menu on your computer system by clicking the Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Once the menu appears, search for Google Chrome using the search field provided, typing the name clearly so it can be found quickly. After the results are displayed, run the Google Chrome browser on your device by selecting it from a list. When the browser opens, navigate to Google Chat by entering its name into the address bar and hitting Enter on a keyboard. From the results shown, choose the link to the official Google Chat website to continue. Next, verify that you have logged into your account, as this is required to access your chats and features. Once confirmed, you will be directed to the Google Chat Home interface, where conversations are visible. To call in Google Chat, open a conversation with your friend by locating it in your chat list. You can look for it through the Home section, where all recent conversations are displayed. Click the conversation you want to open, and the main interface will change to the chat view of that conversation. Since you're using the desktop version, the video call option is available for use. To proceed, hover your cursor to the top right area of the chat window and look for the Start a Video Call button, which is represented by a camera icon. Once you have located it, click Start a Video Call to begin the process. After clicking, a floating window will appear on your screen, indicating that the call is being initiated. Within this window, you can manage your call settings before the other person answers. Turn on your microphone and camera if needed to ensure proper communication during the call. Then, wait for your friend to answer the call request. Once they join, you can start your conversation through video. This method allows you to communicate more effectively by using both audio and visual interaction, making it suitable for personal discussions or collaborative activities.